So we got a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab all these Zara shoes. It really depends how much they're gonna charge me. But we have a lot of these Zara shoes, like a dress one. We have these sneakers. We have the dress ones. We have these boat shoes. We have some white sneakers at the bottom. We have like these Chelsea style boots. And then for clothes, mainly t-shirts today. Did find this vintage Florida Marlins shirt. Nice little embroider. This Rolling Stones. This is a Zara shirt, but I just thought the graphic was super sick, and it's a smaller size, so you guys always want smaller size. Brand new with tags, Robert Cavalli t-shirt. Nike center swoosh with a little gray tag Nike. This I need to look it up, but we have the Hackett Aston Martin Racing, so I'm gonna look that up. What do we have next? We have this Valentino big print t-shirt. Super sick vintage nature shirt, like all over eagle print. Then we did find like 5 or 6 of these Miami Dolphins double-sided. I just love the print on them. 2013 Miami Dolphins, and we literally found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we're only paying $1 each, so it's not bad. And then for jacket wise, we did find this vintage Polo Sport Polo Ralph Lauren bubble jacket, just super sick. These are definitely in fashion. You saw Balenciaga do the big puffer jackets. Did grab this Tommy Hilfiger genuine leather jacket, and then this brand new with tags Adidas like windbreaker jacket. So not bad of a day. Found 2 portable chargers for myself, and then we also found this on the women's section, the Scotch and Soda Viola little boxing. Yeah, it's a nice one. I like the graphic. I'm gonna keep it for myself, I think.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty as shit.
Well, I only ended up getting 3 pairs of the Zara shoes just because they were $15 each, and I told them, like, listen, to spend $15 on a pair of Zara shoes that I'll probably sell for maybe $40 to $60, it just doesn't make sense for me to invest $15 to make $15, $20 when I could buy 1 t-shirt and sell it for $30, and you know, $1 into 30 versus 15 into 30, 40. But I did end up getting 3 pairs, and we'll see how they do. I think 2 of them are my size, or size 44. I usually wear a 44, 45. I'm gonna try them on. If they fit me, then maybe I'll end up keeping them, but if not, then I will post them for sale. But all in all, we did spend $70 on the whole entire bag, the big trash bag of everything you guys saw right now. So that wasn't too bad, you know. That Polo Sport bubble jacket I'll probably sell for $60 as is, so we're definitely in profit. We're definitely in some money, more than I wanted to spend, but it's okay. Let's hit up the next store and see if we continue this good luck. So I totally forgot, I only got 3 things in store number 2. We got this vintage 1995 Coca-Cola Super Bowl t-shirts on the logo 7. It does have some distressing and some paint splats, but I just thought the graphic was pretty sick. Then the find of this store, we found this Adidas Jeremy Scott jacket. It's super weird because like it's like ribbed. It's like puffer right here. Very, very interesting. But I looked up Adidas Jeremy Scott jackets, and most of them are selling for $100 plus, so this was definitely a find for sure. And then last but not least, I got for myself, I got a mini brand new queso dip thing. Brand new, never used, still in the package. I tested it out, and basically when people come over, I want to make queso or something, this is perfect. I'm always making my famous queso, my famous buffalo chicken dip, so this is gonna be perfect when people come over. So yeah, only 3 things, and then that big bag from the first store. So we just have some Florida themed shirts today. Seems like somebody dropped off their full collection. We have this Florida Marlins, we have the Florida Dolphins, we have another Marlins 1993, 1997, and then embroidered 1997. Sadly, no other shirts, just these for today. Well, I was currently headed to the thrift store and my car just kind of took a shit. Basically, I plugged it into the computer and it's having misfire cylinders. So basically I need to do a tune-up. So I'm headed to Pep Boys right now. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 9:30. Thrift store is open at 10. They said it'll take probably about a little over an hour and a half to get it taken care of. So if we get everything taken care of, then I will hit up a thrift store. But yeah, my car's running super bad right now. Like, the idle is horrible. I have all these dashboard lights on. It's just not good at all. But I'm hoping once I change the spark plugs, everything will be good. Once I do a tune-up, everything will be good, back to normal. But yeah, kind of shitty way to start off the morning. But hopefully we can turn it around. Hopefully we hit up the thrift store after, and hopefully we can get some good stuff. Today is Wednesday though, which means that it's 50% off all the thrift stores. So usually a lot of people come on Wednesday, so if we don't get to go thrifting, no problem. At least I get my car taken care of and we'll just head back home, and maybe I'll show you guys some stuff. I think I'm gonna do a live auction on Instagram. I posted a poll. You guys seem like you wanted it, so I'm gonna try it. I'm also gonna try a live YouTube auction probably within, maybe this weekend. Let me know in the comments down below, would you guys want that? Obviously lives, people are selling like crazy, so I figured, you know what, let me kind of jump into it, let me join. I have so much inventory that I need to do that, so yeah. So let me head to Pep Boys, let me fix this car, or attempt to fix this car, and I'll catch up to you guys once I'm finished. Brand new toilet seat. I don't think I'm gonna get that. I just put it to the side. I'm getting 2 of these. They're basically lenses that go in the camera, makes a fisheye, a wide angle, or macro. It's good for like taking photos. So I'm gonna get 2 of them. And then for t-shirts today, we did have a 2003 World Series Marlins. We found like this religious, super sick, double-sided hoodie. These just Cavalli swim shorts. Polo Ralph Lauren bear. Sadly, it's a new age bear, not an old bear. And then just a Psycho Bunny t-shirt. So for some shoes today, we have some 5s, some kid dunks. I wish these were adult dunks because these colorways fire. Some kids Spizikes, some brand new kid Vans, some Air Maxes, some Converse All-Star, seems like they're brand new also, and then a super beat pair of Air Force Ones. As far as clothing today, we did find this vintage Bugle Boy. Oop, like 3/4 sleeve. There we go, it's like a 3/4 sleeve. I just love the color contrast of the sleeve hits. Found this vintage Champion Notre Dame Fighting Irish crew neck. And the rest is bathing suits. So basically, we have this Ted Baker, which is an expensive brand. This other brand, which I didn't know, I had to look up though, Park and Ronin. And then this is the find of today. If you guys ever find this Vilbekern or whatever, this is super expensive, like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's insane. See, like 125, 50 with 2 bids, 60. They usually sell for like around $100. Brand new, I think they're like 200 and something. 125. So as I was leaving, I saw these just come in, Bose speakers. They were $30 half off, so I got the pair for $15. I'll easily sell these for about $140 if I don't decide to keep them for myself. I am getting a new TV, so I think I might just keep them for an entertainment system. And this is what they do with the Zara. They act like it's like produce. But the thing is, look, this is $25, so that means they're gonna pay $12 for these pants. So it's like, I don't really understand why people go crazy for this shit. So sadly, this store only had Zara. I ended up getting 3 jackets. This denim jacket, I thought it was just so sick. I ended up paying $10 each, which isn't bad because if you think about it, they're usually about $90. This one's really nice. It almost reminds me of like the Carhartt style, but I thought it was kind of cool. And then we did get a white denim jacket also with like, it almost reminds me of like the firefighter 3M safety on it. So paid $30 for all 3. And I swear I really want to hire a filmer just to walk around with me to always have the camera rolling, because stuff always happens when I'm not filming. So for example, the last clip I showed you guys before this was the girls just going crazy, grabbing all the Zara, putting it in their carts, just acting like chickens with their heads cut off, just running around like, oh my god, Zara, 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 right? So I like that section, I didn't even bother going in. I went to another section that no one was at. I was flipping through the Zara jackets, and this Spanish lady that I see every single week walks up and like pushes it, like, let's say, I'm trying to explain how it is. So let's say the jacket is facing towards me, right? She angled it to face towards her, and she was gonna act like she was gonna grab it. So I grabbed it instantly, I took off the blue one. Then she went for the white one to try to grab it, and I snatched it out of her hand. And I was like, fuck out of here, like, I'm fucking trying to get stuff for me, and you come in here and just try to grab the stuff. And she like got so offended. I'm like, you don't have a fucking enough, you have a cart full of stuff. And she's just like, oh, whatever. It's like, yo, I hate people that are like that. Like, I'm literally looking at the jackets so I can take them for myself, and she just comes up and just starts grabbing it without even looking. It's like, no, bro, that's not gonna cut it with me. And I cussed her ass out. I was like, fuck, like, she doesn't even speak English. So she probably didn't understand a word I was saying, but I was like, fuck out of here. Like, I'm not dealing with that shit, blah, blah, blah. But, yeah, so let's head back home and check out Captain's doing.